Hello everyone, welcome to Mo's Cooking Corner. Today I'm going to show how to make masala dosa. It's one of the South Indian dish, and I'm going to show also how to make uttapam. Let's get into the video. What you need first to make dosa, make dosa butter. So I put 300 gram basmati rice and 100 gram urad dal and 1 spoon of, after I leave it for 10 hours to soak it, then I blend it, put some salt, put some baking powder and mix it. So it has to be like this when you make dosa. So make sure you blend it very well to make it very smooth. So dosa butter is there. So one of my video I'll show how to make dosa butter. And also you need some mashed potato, fried onion and red onion mixing together with some chaat masala, good flavor. And for uttapam you need some sliced onion, chili and coriander slice. And also I got some egg here, so I'm gonna put on the uttapam, make it look nice. And also you need like this very thin pan. First what you do is oil it. Oil it around very well. Then get one of the damp cloth to wipe it down. The next pan also oil it around. So one of them will be dosa, one of them will be uttapam. See? So pan is getting ready. Now pan is ready. So what I do, put the 1 spoon. Then what I do, get like this. All over, make it like this. Everything. Dosa is getting ready, and this is uttapam. So what I do, uttapam, I put some onion, sliced onion, sliced onion very thin, and I put some coriander and green chili. There. Now what I do, I'm going to put the egg on top. Put egg around. Dosa is ready. It's already cooked now. It's alright. I used to use this. Actually, it's done very nice. Now I put the potato filling. Now masala dosa ready, so I serve with the coconut chutney and potato masala. I hope everybody likes it. Thank you. Now egg uttapam is ready. Now see the filling in dosa. It's got potato inside, so you can eat like this with the coconut chutney. It's very nice. Thank you.